Good morning untuk Sir Muhammad Ashidi bin Cik Samit. Today I'm going to do a presentation about the PBT Enterprise Network. Okay, first our objective of this PBT is identify the device, explain the device in detail in part 3, and propose the network diagram, demonstrate, explain the internet-based WAN network flow. First background scenario. Inter-based background connectivity is an alternative to using dedicated WAN option. Internet-based connectivity can be divided into wired and wireless option. Wired option can permanent cabling, for example copper or fiber, which is provided consistent bandwidth or reduce error rate and latency. Example for wired-based internet broadband and DLS cable connection and optical connection option, because they use radio waves instead of wired media to transmit data. Example for wireless option are secular, 3G, 4G, 5G of satellite internet service. Wireless signals can be negatively affected by factors such as distance from radio tower, interference from other sources, and weather. A company or enterprise want to implement a WAN network inside their company networks, which is using inter-based WAN connectivity. As a network engineer, you have been assigned to design a network that use any internet-based WAN connectivity network. For designing the network, you must identify the device will be used, the type of device, the device information like the brand, model, specifications. You will also need to sketch a diagram with the logical and physical diagram, and you must be an IP address table and VLAN table. You also must do a simple demonstration or explain the flow of network diagram, the implementation that based on WAN network. First, I'm going to show that the network that we use in our packet our network. We totally use 4 router. ISP, router 1, router 2, router 3. For switch, we use 4 switch, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. For PC, we use 4 PC, admin PC, staff PC, branch office PC 1, branch office PC 2. For server, we use server 1, server 2, and a web server. Now I'm going to explain the device name and brand and model and the price. First, we are going to see the router. The router ISP1 is brand Cisco, model Cisco 2111, price is 2500, and the spec is for sport serial. For router 1, router 2, router 3 is brand Cisco, model Cisco 2911, price the same 1200, and the spec is to sport serial. Now we are going to the switch. The switch are all the same. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. The brand is Cisco. The model is WSC296024TTL. Price is 500, and the spec is 29 spot. For the PC, we have totally 4 PC. Admin PC, staff PC, branch office PC 1, PC 2. The brand is HP. The model is HP Palladium Desktop, and the price is 550, and the spec is for the admin PC, PCI wireless network adapter. For staff PC, USB wireless network adapter. For branch office PC 1 and PC 2, PC wireless network adapter. Okay, now we are going to the server. So server 1, server 2, and web server. All server is from the brand Cisco. The model is Cisco UCS C240M5. The price is 2000. The spec is 2 unit of 1050 watts power supply. Okay, now I'm going to show the design, the logical diagram that I designed the network. As you can see, this is the main office, and this is the branch office. This is the ISP. The main office are the server 1, server 2, and the staff PC and admin PC. At the branch office, we can see the branch office PC and branch office PC 1, PC 2. Now we are going to see the physical diagram. For physical diagram, the main office have 2 first floor server farm, server 1 and server 2. At the ground floor we have the PC, staff PC and admin PC. For the branch office we have room 1. At the room 1 have a branch office 2 and port PC 1. Okay, now I'm going to continue with the produce addressing table. For the ISP we use two interface, INT S000, then G01, and the IP address we use is 230.232.0.201 and 172.15.0.10.1. For R1 we use the total 4 interface. For R2 we use 2 interface. For R3 we use 2 interface. For SW2 we use 2 interface. For switch 2 we use 2 interface. For switch 3 also we use 2 interface. But for switch 4 we also use 1 interface. Okay. These are the port addressing table that we use in the network. Now I am going to demonstrate and explain how the WAN network flow works in the network. For the first network flow to main office to branch office. Each IPS forward the packet at office to the branch of the R2, forward to the packet switch R3, which then forward to the appropriate user. Second is network flow branch office to branch main office network. The user at the branch office send a packet to the IP address to user main office, and the IPS forward the packet main address of to R1, and the main office user R1 forward the packet to the switch, which then forward to the appropriate user. Then network flow to the main office network to the server. The user of the main office has sent the packet to the IP address to the server. The packet is sent to the main office router 1, and which check the routing table to determine the next hop. The packet forward to the server farm switch 2, which then forward to the appropriate server 1 and server 2. Last is network flow from the branch office network to server. The user at the branch office send a packet to the IP address of the server. The packet is sent the main router R1, R2, which check in routing table to determine the next hop. The packet is forwarded to the inter router, which is forwarded to the ISP. The ISP forward to the packet to the main office router R1. The packet is forwarded to the router farm switch 2, which is forwarded to the appropriate number server 1 or server 2. This is the documentation that I do in the Power Based Task and enterprise network. Thank you.